Indeed, the Lord has done great things for me. Holy is His name. Well, the last 9 days of novena was quite unique and challenging owing to the COVID 19 situation. With each passing novena day, we were relieved and exhilarated, thinking how our Mama Mary protected us through these days and helped us conduct the novena and Eucharistic celebrations peacefully and successfully. This video depicts the culmination of the 9 days of novena and the preparation that led to the celebration of the feasts. In this video, we have our very own 3 priests currently serving St. Mary's Church and imbibing spirituality among parishioners during these tough times.
My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, it's a really glorious day for our parish because today we celebrate the feast of the Assumption of our beloved Mother Mary. I really want to thank God, the Father Almighty, for the precious gift of Our Lady of Assumption to all of us. These days we had novena and we all have experienced a total love and protection from our beloved Mother Mary. It was indeed a joyful moment that each day we had novena based on the theme, and our fathers so beautifully gave reflections on each day's theme that we had. It was really so inspiring and guiding us and leading us, each one of us, to experience who Mother Mary is in each one of us, our lives. She really stands as a model who did the will of God and also inspires us to surrender our life into the hands of God so that we would be transformed. I firmly believe that if we are open to Mother Mary, she will bless us and she will dwell in our families. She will guide us and intercede always for us so that we may be protected from the COVID-19 and believe that nothing will harm us. She always walks with us, guiding us and protecting us. So I thank God for the precious gift of our beloved Mother Mary, and I pray that she may continue to guide and protect us and showering her blessings on each one of us. Wish you a very happy feast.
It gives me immense joy to celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Assumption. This is our annual feast day. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to have a common celebrations, but we began our novena with great zeal and enthusiasm. We have different preachers preaching on different themes. I take this opportunity to thank all the fathers, especially Father Rajan, Father Stephen, who helped me to carry out these novenas. I also thank our choir members, the Catholic Women Association members, and the other volunteers. I thank Mr. Vinod for serving us food, however small in number, but he did a great job. I want to thank you all who were online celebrating the feast of Our Lady of Assumption. I take this opportunity to thank our sacristan and the others who came forward to help us. Let me once our mother who has seen you in heaven may bless you and your family. Thank you. What thanks, O Lord, can I render thee? During this COVID-19, we began our altar repairing work, restructuring and reforming. However, this period was very painful, hard and difficult one, but church, through the intercession of our Mary, our mother, we have gained some benefits. So I would like to thank all our benefactors, well-wishers, parishioners, youth and every association for their support and help. I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy feast and very happy Independence Day. God bless you.
My dear brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, today on the eve of the feast of Our Lady of Assumption, I wish you all very happy feast. Last 9 days and finally on this day of feast, our mother, Mama Mary, always brought grace upon grace from her son. And today, when we celebrate this feast, she invites each one of us, as she has given to every one of us her own son Jesus, so also let us share our own self to our own brothers and sisters in every way and whatever way possible. May our mother always intercede for us, and may this feast bring love, peace and joy. Once again, I wish you all happy feast and have a wonderful and blessings filled day.
बिन तेरे मैं निष्प्राण, मेरी आत्मा तेरा सदा गुणगान करती मेरे प्रभु, मन आनंदित झूमे, मेरी आत्मा तेरा सदा.
Well, thank you, fathers, for walking us through the 9 days of novena. Initially, we all were in a dilemma as to how would we prepare and celebrate our parish feast as a church during this pandemic. But the thought process of all the three of you worked wonders, including the entire church through 9 days of novena and on the feast day. Thank you once again. Also, what a right befitting moment for the altar inauguration. Thank you for the timely readiness of the altar even after the challenging lockdown days. Last but not the least, thank you to all the parishioners, zonal in charges, parish council members, Vincent de Paul members, Noida Catholic Yuva Sangh members, Women Association and the altar servers and our sacristan. Also, a heartfelt thanks to the sponsors and all those who were involved in the preparation and distribution of the daily prasad. May God bless all of us and keep us and our family healthy and sound even as the world reels through this coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.